Hey team, hey, welcome back. Another gate is completed. This is a coloursteel gate with a 75 by 50 aluminium frame. This one here works really nicely. It's sort of about a 1500 high, slight slope on the driveway, but this one's got a concrete strip going down the whole way. You can see the concrete strip through there. It sort of makes the front of the garden nice and tidy. Sort of keeps the front edge away, the grass away from the fence. So this frame is a fully welded frame. It also has this rub rail on top. Talked about rub rails before. There's a rub rail there. That stops the rollers from rubbing on the gate. You don't want the gate rubbing on the rollers because it'll wear the paint off over time. This is a pretty simple setup. Just a couple of remotes, no extras, like no safety beams, no keypad. But this is the simplest setup that you can get. Just one click to open, one click to close. You can see it works really nicely, along with this black ebony coloursteel fence. So you can see we've worked really hard to get the top of that gate the same height as the fence. So yeah, that's what you want. So there's quite a bit that goes into that. You got to work out the exact heights of the gate. This gate's actually 20 mils narrower at that end. You wouldn't know, but there's a slight variation in the driveway. So that is a 1.5 coloursteel gate, automated. Very cool. If you just want some real basic security when you're coming home, you don't want to be dealing with security issues, that's exactly what you want. And these remotes are pretty cool. This is the V2 system. You can see how there's a 70mm gap under the gate. The reason for that is if you've got more than a 20mm variation in the way that the track's set up, you're better to go with a gap under the gate like that. There are low profiles. See, these wheels actually flip around and they're a lot lower. This one here is a 75mm gap. But that's the best thing to do if you've got a slight variation in the slope of the driveway, the strip. So there you go. Just imagine coming home and you got that going on. So how much does it cost? Definitely more than 10 grand. The gate would be less than 10, but you got the fencing and all that, so it might be 10 to 15, just depending on what you're wanting to do. But if you want to have security and peace of mind, then that's what you want. Awesome, guys. If you're interested in sliding gate, let us know. Always happy to help out with quotes and get back to you real quick. At the moment we are servicing most of the North Island, except for Northland, but yep, we're happy to help out. Just hit us up at strongfencing.co.nz.